Choosing high-quality propellers can make a noticeable difference in the drone's performance, especially in challenging conditions such as windy environments. In this video, I will show you the 3 best propellers to buy.
Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
On number 1, we have Oshmirian propellers. Oshmirian propellers are known for their durability and precision engineering. Crafted from high-quality plastic with superior toughness and flexibility, these propellers are built to resist cracks, warping, and deformation even after extended use, ensuring dependable performance in outdoor conditions. Each blade is carefully designed for stable rotation, reduced noise, and improved aerodynamic efficiency. Their lightweight construction supports longer battery life and maximizes flight time, giving you more opportunities to capture stunning footage per charge. The set includes 4 propeller blades that can be quickly installed or replaced without the need for tools, making them convenient spares to carry in your drone kit for hassle-free replacements during trips or aerial projects. For users who frequently fly outdoors and want a dependable set of propellers that can handle repeated use, Oshmirian propellers are an excellent choice. On number 2, we have Coyktonty propellers. Coyktonty propellers stand out for their focus on low-noise performance. Many drone pilots prefer a quieter flying experience, particularly when capturing cinematic footage or operating in areas where noise may be a concern. These propellers are designed with a refined blade shape that minimizes air resistance and reduces the overall sound profile of the drone. At the same time, they deliver steady thrust and reliable lift, ensuring that the Mini 5 Pro remains stable during flight. Coyktonty propellers are also lightweight and easy to install, making them a convenient option for beginners and experienced pilots alike. For those who value silent operation without compromising on flight efficiency, Coyktonty propellers provide an impressive balance of performance and discretion. On number 3, we have Yajojo propellers. Yajojo propellers are another solid option for the DJI Mini 5 Pro, offering a blend of stability and performance. These propellers are designed to optimize airflow, which enhances maneuverability and control, particularly in windy conditions. Featuring a low-noise design with orange-painted tips, these propellers deliver quieter flight performance while adding a touch of visibility. Constructed from durable, high-quality plastic, they offer outstanding flexibility and toughness, resisting cracks and deformation for long-term reliability. The tool-free installation makes setup quick and effortless, ensuring convenience when replacing blades. With their high-toughness material and aerodynamic efficiency, these propellers minimize power consumption and help extend battery life, allowing for longer and smoother flights. Whether used for recreational flying or professional aerial photography, Yajojo propellers deliver dependable performance across a variety of conditions. So these are some of the best propellers to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe for future updates.